I told you it was really part of Russia.
Remove that rag over.
Oh boy, here we go.
She's got a little leakage. She's of a certain age where that becomes not unusual.
Uh-oh. Man, we got all kinds of stuff going here.
Oh, the old pin.
Okay,
The
where
Sherman
is,
pulled the pin.
Let's put that with the
pump.
rear pump thing.
Where's
Here.
the rear pump bag?
Right here.
There's the pump and sacking. If this was a German car, it would be Das Pump and Sacking.
This is disgusting.
Everything
Oh,
is.
that's
It's a little
why we got
messy.
that ultrasonic. What did you do?
Yeah, you
There
do
we
your
go.
ultrasonic thing. Fine.
Oh wait, this one still needs some work, Paul. The one on the bottom on the.
Gotta take it all the way off.
She's.
Ooh, Sherman's got the
Yeah,
ring
one on
out.
The bottom at the backside.
How is that?
Inside. Right here.
Is that normal?
Tell us a story, Mr. Sherman. That's the backing plate for the pump. It's got a little wear on it, yeah?
Yeah, it do. I don't know if that's good or not. I would say that's not so hot.
No, that does not look happy. No,
Restored, right?
that's chewed duppy. Maybe that's where some of that shit in the pan came from.
Possibly. Possibly.
Dun dun dun.
It's
Thanks too. Like really.
Dun,
Like
dun, dun.
McGruff getting to the bottom of things.
The crime dog. I'd be Inspector Gadget.
With
the cheat on this is to get new gaskets and flip the plate.
Ooh, Sherman.
I like
The
that.
plate's been flipped once already though.
Let me see. Is it fucked on both sides?
No, you can tell by the
It's kind of
The machine?
yeah. Except now I just boogered it all up.
Now you've effed it all up. Hold on, let me come over here. Oh, yeah.
No, there's just not much room in there.
been a-
I mean,
it's been a
you have to
thing.
kinda do
It's
it like a quarter
been
turn
somebody's
at a
been
time.
sanding on it. See that?
Yeah.
Just keep pushing it till
White party,
That's it's like it's been.
it's got
this
like
your-
a
is
set.
this
Just
your-
keep
is
pushing.
this
It's
your
got like
shit?
a
And maybe we have to do
cycle.
that. Maybe we'll
Okay,
have to
no one else
actually
brings a
sand.
flashlight, so complaining about my flashlight is a bit.
I have a light. I have multiple lights.
No, I just had to give Grant shit for. So I was in Vegas this weekend and
First iteration. Well, we're still figuring shit out.
let's see if it comes out. There you go. Oh,
There we go.
This is the
there we go.
Dynaflow,
Just flew off there.
but we're gonna call it the Dynaho.
It's a Dynaflow
It
hump.
comes off. This thing I think came out.
Oh.
That washer?
This.
Oh,
That's this hardware.
there's stuff.
Okay, you got shit falling out. That's not good.
This is no. That's this thing.
No, that's just a gasket.
Oh, that's probably maybe
But
it's
where's this pin from?
So a random pin fell out. That's cute.
the pin. The pin. We don't.
The pin said what?
Where we going?
What?
I don't know. It doesn't feel like it. It's too big. Didn't go in there. So what we're going to have to do
Uh-oh.
is get another bag, and you're going to put this accumulator.
Accumulator.
You take this accumulator, and you're going to put it in a bag
Yeah.
With the pin. With the
with
pin.
the pin.
Yeah. So then we know.
Here we go.
It goes together.
With the stray.
And I'll take a look at the I'll
parts
try to
diagram.
pull up an exploded diagram.
Yeah. All right. So put that.
Exploded.
All
Exploded.
right. So put this as the. Which this would be the right hand side of the car.
No, that'd be the
No,
left
this
side
is
of the car.
left-hand side.
Oh. You're right.
Driver's side. That would be
This is
driver's
the
side,
other side.
accumulator.
Right. So maybe we should write it first.
Put driver's side, accumulator.
accumulator.
Who had the pen? Paul had the pen last.
Paul, do you have the pin?
Paul's over there at the sink.
Check his pockets.
I did not. Did I give him the pin?
Yes,
Yeah,
he had the
it 'cause
pen.
He's been writing on them.
Okay.
might
Well,
be in
then
his
we
pocket.
gotta find him and get the pin.
All right. Chuck just said we got drain the converter.
It doesn't quite fit, but we'll just...
Top one out first, and then the bottom one. Who's got a bucket? Plug.
The hardware up at DHS was having some sort of special sale. They were giving away buckets to the first whatever. And people were clamoring for buckets. And they said, here's your bucket. I said, I want a bucket. She said, You don't want a bucket? I said, no. What the fuck am I going to do with a bucket?
It's a fuck it bucket.
Yeah, look, now you're not
Here it is.
scoffing at it.
I don't even know where that bucket came from.
It says Harbor Freight right on it.
Yeah, well, it didn't. I didn't get it.
How do you hold that?
There you go.
Look at that. The guy's a seasoned professional. He's pretending it's metric.
It's almost. It's 7/16.
So therefore it's
that looks
11 mil.
11, yeah. If I had
Oh,
to
you're
guess.
killing me, Smalls. You're killing me.
What's wrong with metric?
You can't
Not
quote that
every-
movie
Not
unless you've
everything
seen
can
that
be
movie.
Not everything can be a
built
muscle car,
Airbuses.
Chuck.
Well, I don't hit. Do you
And
see
the
any muscle
TRV.
cars in here?
PBR.
Oldsmobile's kind of too muscly.
No.
I don't see any Camaros with dumb shit on them.
Pony car right there.
Yeah,
I don't see any
that's
stupid
that's
Tri-5s.
That's a Falcon with an attitude. No, fuck no. That thing's 0 to 60 in like 10 seconds.
Oh. All right, now we've taken the plug out.
You gotta
Now-
get the other plug
It's
out.
got a
Oh, is there another
2-barrel carburetor.
Yeah.
So do
See,
we-
it's right here. No, no, no. You leave it there.
Leave it up and
Leave it there because that's the the vent.
Well, we can still flip it around.
If you want.
but then it's gonna dump all
dribble.
its stuff.
Well, we want it to do that.
Yeah,
We all
okay.
dribble.
Wow.
No matter how much you wiggle or how much you dance, the last 3 drops always.
End up in your pants.
Believe it or not. Okay. Now
There you go.
we'll do the other half. And she'll finish.
Just turn it. Go ahead, turn. Turn.
I've crossed seepage.
Oh, girl's made a
We're
mess.
probably beyond seepage at this point. We're more in the like real
Catastrophic failure.
Yeah. By the way, these are all loose. Is that normal?
Yeah, that Bobby was in there taking more than he needed to take out.
Because you didn't tell me. Because
You
I
didn't
wasn't.
ask.
Well, I wasn't here when you guys started on it either. So.
All right. The vent's coming out. Oh,
Oh, it's fine.
there she is.
It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah. Killing it now.
Oh, look at that. Well, you had a little murder thing here.
It's fine.
But you said you like the smell of it, Chuck.
I do.
Well, now you
But I
gotta
don't
get a
like the
hoof.
on the floor.
Oh, there's that. Good thing you brought the cat litter.
Okay. So what we're going to do now, after this is done draining, is we're going to take it off the stand. I put this on the stand just for you guys. I did. We're going to take it off the stand.
Yay!
And then we're going to pull the torque converter off.
Yay!
And then we're going to access the front pump.
Yay! Yay!
And there was
Whoa.
much rejoicing.
Whoa. Much rejoice. Yes! Yeah, sing the song.
This is Take On Me by Aha,
I know.
Yeah.
What year?
1983. Was it 81?
Sherman's pretty good with the music.
Yeah, 83 or
I think
maybe
it's
a little
83.
later. Ask Allison, she'll know.